Big changes in Cisco certifications, CCNA, CCNP and CCIE. What are the changes? When will the changes be implemented? And how will these changes affect us? I am here to answer. My name is Asim Basha from Network KB. Let's learn, remember and update.
Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the info on networking and networking technologies. All that you have to do is hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon.
Let's start with the first question. What are the changes? Let's first start with the CCNA certification. These certifications don't exist anymore. CCNA Cloud, Collaboration, Routing and Switching, Data Center, Security, Service Provider and Wireless. There will be just one CCNA certification. Now what does that mean? That means that, as simple as that, there will be just one CCNA certification that you have to pass, rather than going and passing every CCNA certification for every stream. That's a good thing, right? Let's move on to CCNP. There are quite a bit changes in CCNP. Let's go through each and every one of them. No prerequisites for CCNP exams. Currently, you have to pass your CCNA exam in order to give your CCNP exam. So that is no longer gonna be a mandatory requirement from next year. Let's move on to the next one. Complete list of CCNPs. CCNP Enterprise, CCNP Security, Service Provider, Collaboration, Data Center and the new entry, Cisco Certified DevNet Professional. So this is a new certification track that Cisco has introduced. You might have seen something is missing here. Routing switching. Where is routing and switching? Actually, routing and switching is been named as Enterprise now. So Cisco has changed the term. So it will be called Enterprise from next year. So let's move on to the next change. Introduction of specialist level. Passing any of the concentration exams will earn you a Cisco Certified Specialist title. Now what does this mean? This actually is already there in Juniper course. So in Juniper you have associate, specialist, professional and expert level. So now Cisco has introduced the same in their certification tracks. So for example, if you pass a route exam, you will be called a specialist in route. If you pass a switch or a T-shoot exam, you will be called a specialist in switch and T-shoot. And if you pass in all the three exams like you do now, you will be called a professional. It's as simple as that. Let's move on to the next certification track, which is CCIE. So there are major changes in CCIE track. So the first biggest change is there is no dedicated CCIE written exam. So you don't have to write a written exam. You can just directly go and book your slot for your lab exam, and then you can give your 8 hours of lab and become a CCIE. So that's a very big change. So let's move on to the next change. These are the complete list of CCIEs. CCIE Enterprise Wireless, Infrastructure, Security, Service Provider, Collaboration and CCIE Data Center. So all these will be the CCIE certifications from next year. Let's move on to the next question. When will these changes be implemented? The changes will be implemented next year on 24th of Feb. So this means that if you are currently preparing for any of the certification, the last day for you to give an exam is 23rd February 2020, which is next year. So from 24th, all these new certification will start. Let's move on to the next question. How are these changes going to affect? If you are a student and you are preparing to write any of these exams, now you have a deadline. You have to complete your certification by 23rd Feb 2020. Apart from that, there will be no effect if you are currently a Cisco certified professional or associate or an expert. So you will have your Cisco ID, your Cisco number, which will be valid for 3 years. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.